Hello everyone, today I'm about to simply teach you how you can sign out of your Gmail account on your Android device. It is going to be a very simple and easy step-by-step tutorial, so feel free to watch the video to the end. And with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So first of all, simply go ahead into your Gmail application on your phone. And finally, once you have done that, on the top right you are going to be having your profile icon or your logo, or if you haven't changed your logo or basically your profile picture, it is going to have your first alphabet of your Gmail. So basically go ahead and click on that. And finally, once you have done that, there is going to be manage accounts on this device button right over here. Go ahead and tap on that. And then simply go ahead and tap on the account that you don't want on your account, or basically want to sign out of. And finally, you'll have to click on remove account, and finally go ahead and click on remove account one more time. And congratulations, you have successfully signed out of Gmail account on your Android device. And if you thought this video was informational, feel free to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and thank you for watching.